Hi guys, this is Karina. I am back with another video tutorial on my template 54. I received many messages regarding how did I make these cute little peonies holding their Ferrero Rochers. Wedding season is coming around along with bridal showers, baby showers, and many of you want to know how to make these so you guys can incorporate these for your events. If you're a follower of mine on Instagram at Ariel's Designs, you noticed that I had to make 200 of these for my cousin's quinceanera. They decided to use them as favors with table numbers, and they turned out absolutely beautiful. If you want to take a look at how those looked, go ahead and visit my Instagram, and I did post a picture on how these looked, and they looked absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to share with you guys how to make these using my template 54. Super easy, and they're just super cute. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to need is my template 54. Now, this is what the template looks like. So you receive outer petals and inner petals. When you purchase my template, either PDF or hard copy, I do label them telling you which petals you need to make a certain size. I do have a picture tutorial on her on my Instagram highlight stories. This one is slightly different only because I used an additional petal, but that's the only difference. Other than that, you would follow the same technique. So let's get started. For this one, so roughly this flower is roughly around 6 inches. So what you're going to need are your 6-inch petals. So again, if you have my PDF or hard copy, I do mark them and tell you which ones you need. So originally this is what the 6-inch looks like. You receive 2 outer petals and then 1 for the inner. But because I want this a little bit more fuller, I am going to add the 5-inch inner petal as well. And you do receive all these petals, guys, that I just showed you. So you're going to need 6, 6, 6, and 6 of each. Now, if you want more of a fuller look, you can definitely add more petals. It is up to your liking. So what you're going to need today are scissors, a wooden dowel to curl with, and of course your glue gun. Because I am working with small flowers, I am using my Bonder, my mini detail glue gun, which is absolutely amazing. And you also need paper. I am using text weight paper today, and I am using this beautiful rose gold paper by PaperPapers. Oh my gosh, it's seriously such a beautiful shimmery color. You know, I used to spray paint my rose gold, but then I discovered this paper, and it's, I don't spray paint anymore this color. It is absolutely beautiful. So if you're curious, and actually there you go, it's from Curious Metallics, so it is called rose gold. So this is text weight paper, so it is 80 pound, and you do get 50 of these. So I really recommend this, guys. It's very beautiful and easy to work with. Now, I don't recommend text weight for larger flowers, but when it comes to smaller flowers like the one we're making today, I do recommend. All right, so let's get started. Besides your petals, you're also going to need your medium-sized circle. You do receive 3 circles. You're going to need the medium-sized one. Mine is ready to go. My petals are prepped as well, just so I don't bore you. So you're going to start off with the 6 largest petals. You're going to get your wooden dowel, and all you're going to do is just give them a curl inward, just like that. You're going to do that to all of them. And that is it. There's no cutting whatsoever. All you're going to do is we are going to create somewhat of a triangular form. So we're first only doing 3. So just like that. So now we're going to get the other 3, and we will be going in between. And we are done with this first layer. You're going to go ahead and grab your other petal. So you need 6 of these as well, and you're going to curl them as well. Now with this one, you will be cutting. So right here in the center, just going to give it a little snip, just like that. You're going to add a little dot of glue, and then you're going to cross, and then hold for a few seconds. So you will be doing this to all of them, which I already have, and you are going to repeat the same process You're going to add the glue, and now we're going to go in between those petals that we just did, and you're just going to repeat. You're just going to go around, add the glue. So first start off with the 3. Now that we're done with those 3, last 3, same thing. See, it's super easy, guys. And you would do this for all the sizes. So just follow the same technique. Just like that. So we are done with that petal style. Now we're on to these petal styles, and you're going to prop them all the same way, where you're just going to give them a curl forward. We're going to repeat the same process of we're going to give them a little snip in the center. We're going to add a little dotted glue, cross them, and just like that. And we are going to repeat the same process. So I have my 6 ready to go. So this is the largest one. And we're going to do the same thing. 3 first. So we're going in between those petals that we just glued on. So I have those 3 and repeat. Okay, just like that. You could stop here, but if you want it fuller, like I said, I added an additional layer. So I went to the, what did I say, the 5-inch. The 5-inch inner petal, and you're going to repeat the same thing. So start off with 3. And watch those fingers, because you are dealing with hot glue. So you don't want to burn those fingers. There's 1, 2, and 3, and we're all done, guys. Super easy. Now if you wanted to add another layer, go for it. If not, you can stop here. Then you just need a Ferrero Rocher or any other candy you would like to add, and then you're just going to add her to the center. Voila. And she's all done and super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and you can find this template at www.arielelsedesigns.com. Chat with you guys later. Bye.